What up, beauty squad? I am back with another video. This one is going to be a voiceover makeup tutorial. There's some things that I did off camera, some things that I did on camera. Hopefully it all comes together and you guys enjoy it. Please subscribe. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I can't wait for you guys to see how this look came together. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So first we're going in with my new OXX Beauty eyebrow pencil. Not the biggest fan of this one, but it does the job. It's just a bit hard. I guess when you warm it up on the back of your hand it should be fine. But I am just shaping out the brows, just filling them in a little bit. Now I'm just going in with a primer. This is normally used for a face primer, but I did use it on my eyes. I like using it on my eyes because it creates the best base for the eyeshadow to stick. I'm now just going in with my BYS Festival palette. I'm going in with the yellow of this palette. This is going to be my transition shade, but also the start to the ombre effect of the sunset that we're creating. I'm now going in with the Back to Brazil Rio edition. This is all shimmer shadows, but I am taking a orange. It is a very light orange, but there is a way that you can build this up. Just take little by little at a time and just build up the color as you're blending out. I'm now going in with a red shadow from my Starlitzer palette. This one is in a blue palette, but it's got a range of different colors. I am just blending this on the outer corner and creating that ombre effect. I'm now going in with a darker orange from the Rio palette, and I'm just blending this from the red to the yellow and just creating and deepening that orange ombre sunset. I'm now just taking a bright yellow from the Back to Brazil Rio edition palette, and I'm just doing this on the inner corner. I'm now taking the highlighter shade in the Back to Brazil palette, and all I'm doing is just doing this on the inner corner and the brow bone. Now going in with my liquid eyeliner from Essence. It's an 18-hour black longwear eyeliner. It really does last that long. I forgot to take my makeup off and it stayed. Just doing a nice cat wing. Not worried about, it being absolutely perfect, because sometimes nothing is perfect. But I did try my hardest, and that's what counts. Now going into face products, I am going in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer.
I like to use this on my center of my cheeks and fade it outwards, my nose, chin and forehead. This gives the blurring to the skin and just helps the foundation set and lock in. This one's for the niece and nephews. They love when I apply lipstick under my eyes. I am using this to colour correct the dark circles under my eyes, as I have said in previous videos, but this one was just a special treat for them as they love watching me do my makeup. I'm now going in with my OXX Mineral Foundation in the Flower Line, something along that. And this one I'm just lightly blending all over my face. I am absolutely in love with this foundation. It causes a very medium coverage but perfect base. Now going in with my e.l.f. Camo 16 Hour Concealer, just going under the eyes, down the bridge of the nose, center of the forehead, lip and chin, and this I'm just blending in with a beauty blender just to conceal the extra darkness around the eyes. I'm going in now with my OXX Beauty powder foundation. It's a mineral where it's in the shade Swan, and it just gives the lightest coverage of powder just to lock everything in. I'm just going in now with my QC Makeup Academy contour palette, as well as their contour brush, and I just use the shade that I think is best suited for my skin tone, my skin type, and I'm just blending this on the high parts of my forehead, my cheekbones, and my jawline. I'm also blending this a little bit down the nose just to create that perfect nose contour for me. Going into my QC Makeup Academy blush palette, and I'm just taking a really light, beautiful peach color, and I'm just going from the apples of my cheeks and blending it backwards into the contour. I'm now taking my OXX Natural Face Finishing Spray. I like using this before I put on my highlight because it just gives my skin a bit of moisture back into it with all the powders. Now going into my QC Makeup Academy in the lightest gold shade that they have, and I'm just highlighting everywhere that I like to highlight. Going in with the QC Makeup Academy lip palette. Now I started off with a beautiful subtle orange on the lip, and in the next clip you will see that I have a bit of a darker red on the outer corner. I created an ombre on my lip to match the ombre on my eyes. now going in with my K-Pop Cross Australis mascara, and this one is a very dry formula. I like using this because it doesn't transfer to my lid if I move my eyelashes. I'm just now applying some QC Makeup Academy lashes. These are the more natural but wispy lashes that I showed in my QC Makeup Academy video, and I think they're very beautiful, very subtle but beautiful. In this next clip you can see that I am applying the other lash, but I am also pointing out the 3 different shades that I've added under my eyes, where I've just done that off camera just to get the ball rolling a little bit. Just applying mascara to the bottom lashes now, and the look will come together. Here's the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am absolutely in love with colourful looks. So see you guys in my next video.